How to stop background apps running on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you can open Settings application and you scroll to the bottom. Tap on About Device, scroll down, select Version. Now choose Build Number and tap it for 7 times in order to activate the developer mode. If the developer mode is already activated, you will see the message that you are already a developer at bottom. So let's come back and tap Additional Settings. Scroll down and now select Developer option and toggle the button on. Tap Running Services. From here you can see all the running apps on your Android. If you want to stop background apps running on Android, let's say Vidmat, open it and here you can tap on the stop button and then you may lose some of your current work and it will stop background apps running on your Android. Also, the next method is simply you can tap on the display or the recent icon at bottom left corner of the screen and here you will see all the recently open application. You can tap on close all and stop background running apps on Android. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.